In 2010, the monsoons continued way past their time, right into November. The farmers of Akole decided to give their chana crop another chance and replant it. Due to the delayed harvest of the chana crop, bajra and groundnut was sown only in March-April of 2011. But 2011 saw an unexpectedly early and unusually heavy onset of the monsoons, leading to disastrous effects on the summer crop too. The monsoon, like a difficult child, had stayed up way past its bedtime last time and woken up too early this time. The farmers lost their wager against these unexpected vagaries of the elements.
The agromet stations installed by water in this area revealed some startling figures. But farmers are always shining examples of resilience. They relentlessly try to adapt to the situation as best as they can. The farmers here too tried many ways to counter this disaster. During the intermediate lulls in the rains, some farmers began to harvest their not yet ready groundnut crop. But their hearts sank when they saw that many of the groundnut pods hadn't ripened and those which had begun to sprout, making them useless. They used every available flat and protected space, even village temples, to spread their harvest. They used halogen lamps to dry heat the harvest. Some lit fires around to smoke the harvest dry. Some people even packed their soggy harvest into gunny bags, took them to other villages which hadn't got these untimely rains, and tried to dry the harvest there. The groundnut husks used as livestock feed had rotted too, and now the farmers were confronted with the additional problem of needing to purchase feed for their livestock. Also, groundnuts used in a variety of forms in cooking meet the protein requirements of the people. So untimely rain ultimately led to substantial loss of nutrition for people as well as livestock. The groundnut crop was destroyed underground, and high-speed winds and heavy rains didn't spare the bajra fields either. The cobs that managed to survive began to turn black. The rot had set in, and the bajra cobs too turned inconsumable and unsaleable.
बाजरी आम्ही मार्च महिन्यामध्ये पेरली. नंतर बाजरी काढायला आली. त्यानंतर पाऊस सुरू झाला. पावसामुळे आम्हाला लाईट नसल्यामुळे आम्हाला काहीच करता नाही आलं.
तर आता ही जी बाजरी काळी पडली आहे हिचा वापर करता येईल का?
आता बघू ना, आता अजून काहीच केलं नाही. आधी आम्ही खाऊन बघू, नंतर
नाही खाऊ नका.
नाही
कडसर लागत मी खाऊ कडसर लागत खाऊ नका.
अजून तिला खाल्लंच नाही आम्ही.
While the farmers were busy rescuing their harvests, their prices in the local trade centers like Rajur collapsed. These unhealthy crops would fetch the farmers almost nothing in the market. This sets in motion a vicious downward cycle because now the farmers will not have enough money to fund their next rice crop. This heartrending story of a climate change disaster goes beyond polar ice caps and penguins. In Akole, climate change is about people and their food. In Akole, climate change may not be a myth.